Hello, today we have DELL VOSTRO 3558, which comes from another workshop. The problem of this machine, it has error, as you can see on the screen. The AC power adapter voltage cannot be determined. This means this motherboard cannot determine the adapter. So let's go and check the motherboard and see what is the problem. Okay, turn it off. Remove the motherboard. Okay. According to the information of this made on this motherboard, so this is a second repair attempt. For the adapter to be recognized by the motherboard, and the center pin of the power DC jack and this one should be able to communicate with Super I/O chip. This adapter ID center pin should be able to communicate with this Super I/O chip. And let's go and check the rails where this ID is passing. Okay, let's start from the DC jack. This is DC in 1. Search from schematics. DC in 1. And yes, we have DC in 1. Okay, zoom in. Okay, this is a DC jack, and we are going to see on this pin number 4. Yeah, pin number 4. This is the communication between the adapter and the motherboard from the Super I/O controller. So let's go and check all these components around this rail. Like we have PR4217, which is 0 ohms resistor, and also we have PQ4201. This is the MOSFET with 3 legs, and also we have another MOSFET PQ4202, and also we have this resistor here, which also has the rail goes straight to this is PCIe EC. PCIe EC is going straight to the controller. Let's check this one. Copy this and paste here. Let's go and search this one. Where is it going? Again, yeah, here. We have it here, PCIe EC. PCIe EC is going for KBC24. This, I think, is a controller. Yes, this is controller. As you can see, the number NPCE 285PA, and our control tool. Yes, this is a controller NPCE 285, as we have seen on the schematics. Okay, let's go back to DC in. Okay, let's check this resistor, 0 ohms resistor, and make sure it has that value of 0 ohms. We have this resistor here, and we have this one too, PR4204. Let's go and check these two. And on this resistor we must have 3.3 volts. So let's go and check that voltage with the value of that resistor too. Okay, adapter plugged in. How to find this resistor? Find this resistor. Go to view software, Control F. I'm going to search for. Let's find PR4202. This one, PR4204. PR4204. Find it, yeah, here. This one, PR4204. PR4204 on this leg of this PR4204. We must have 3 volts, as you can see on the schematics. Pin number 1 of the resistor must have 3.3 volts S5. And let's go and check it. This one, okay, black probe on the ground, and yes, we have 3.3. On the other side is PCIDEC on pin number 2, which also I think is the same voltage. Also, yeah, the voltage drops to 2.9, I think is normal. And this one goes to another resistor, PR4205, which is supposed to take those 2.9 voltage. And this PR05 from the schematics, I think it's this one. Okay, so at this point we must have 2.9, which is okay. Okay, we have seen from the schematics, this is our resistor. Let's go and check the value of it. From the schematics, we are supposed to get the resistor has the value of 3 ohms. Let's go and check on the multimeter. Okay, meter in 200. Okay, let's go and check the value of this resistor here. And we have nothing. Why? We have nothing. We have nothing on that resistor. Let's go and check the voltage. Adapter plugged in. You can see the motherboard is on because we don't have CMOS battery plugged in. Let's go and check the voltage. We have 3.3 volts here. On PCIDEC we have 2.9, and going back to the adapter ID PCID, we have nothing, 0.06, and the normal voltage here should be 3.3 or 3.2 from experience. 2.9. Okay, let's go and find the other resistor there and replace it and see if it will give up the voltage. The donor board. Let's go and find this resistor around the charger battery connector. I think we must find it. How about this one? Nothing. 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 If the meter doesn't read it, that means the value of the resistor is very high, so no problem. Let's go and check on this side of the board. We are looking for this 33 ohms resistor. 33 ohms resistor. How about these two here? Nothing. Yes, this one. This one, we found it. Let's go and replace it. Flux. This one. This one is out. Yes. This is very small microscopic component. Adding flask. The best way to solder this component is to reduce the air from your hot gun so that the component can't blown away. And the resistor is on point. Okay, let's go and inspect another area of charging IC controller. Maybe this charging IC controller is here, as it's already removed. As I said earlier, pre-attempt has been occurred on this motherboard. This is a BQ737. Let's check. We have this resistor here, which has been seen it's been soldered again. Let's check the value of this resistor here. It is 10R old. That means it should read. I don't think this one is normal. 178. Let's go and check from the board view and schematics. Board view. This one and bottom. The capacitor and the resistor. Yes, PR4408. PR4408. Let's check from the schematics. PR4408 here. PR4408. 10 ohms, 10 ara, 10 ohms. That means I see no short, no short. How about the this is a coil which receives the voltage from the battery after current resistor, and no short, but this resistor is reading high value, which is not good. And let's go and find the donor board. Where can I get this one? How about this one? Let's go and check this one. That's supposed to be 10 resistance. Supposed to be 10 ohms resistor. Let's check this one. And yes, this one is supposed to be there. Flux. Okay, the resistor is out. Let's take this one. Although this one is big, I think it will fit here. Okay, let's clean it. This around. As you can see, using original flask. As you can see, using original flask, there is no any oil remaining on the motherboard. The motherboard is clean. Okay. Let's check again. Yes, 10 ohms. That's okay. I think it's time to test adapter. Meter in voltage mode. Adapter is plugged in. And the fan is spinning. Let's go and check the voltage on this resistor, 3.3. And after that one we have 3.3. The voltage has risen up from 2.9 to 3.2 after this resistor also. And yes, we have 3.2, which I think it's supposed to have here on adapter ID. Yes, 3.2. And now I think the adapter is recognized by the motherboard, and let's go and test it from the screen. Okay, motherboard is in place. Okay, the screen. Adapter plugged in. Fan is spinning, motherboard is on. Let's wait from the screen. Alright. If we don't get that error, that means the board is fixed. And if we get the error again, we have to go back to the motherboard and see what is wrong. Dell, and yes, no error. That's a time and date error due to CMOS battery, absence of CMOS battery. There is no CMOS battery on the motherboard, and the board is fixed. Let's go and see on the BIOS if the adapter wattage is being recognized. Okay. Let's go by setup. Okay. Okay, let's go under battery information. And yes, adapter wattage is recognized, 45 watts, and no battery installed. Let's plug the battery and see if it's charging. Okay. Battery health is very poor. Battery need to be replaced, but it shows 0.4%. Let's wait and see if the voltage will increase. But the battery, the machine does not charge the battery. As you can see, this idle. Let's use another battery. Let me find another battery. The voltage does not increase because, as you can see, the health communication error. The battery is very bad, and it is idle. Nothing is happening. Let's remove and test another battery. Battery is plugged in. This one has 0% and it is charging. Let's wait and see if the voltage increase. Okay, we're back. Let's go and check the battery voltage and battery information, and yes, we have 4% and it's charging now. 5%. Adapter is recognized and 45 watt. Battery health is excellent and it's charging. Everything is working good. Okay, thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.